Hi guys, welcome to Tech Market Tips. Previously I showed you how to add ad blocker and VPN to your browser. In this video I will show you how to add Alexa traffic rank to your browser. So if you have any website or blog, and if you have to check your rank for your website, generally we use Alexa. So go to Google Chrome and search for Alexa ranking. Um, Now you will see the official website of Alexa here now. I clicked on it and it will take us to the Alexa website, official website. If you want to check the rank of your website, you have to enter your website name here. So my website is Tech Market Tips. I will copy the URL. I will paste it here and I will click on run analysis. So the Alexa website will analyze my blog now, and you can see here what are the top keywords on my website. If you go down, you can see here the website rank is 1,25,790 right now. This is how you can see the Alexa rank of your website or blog. And this is in India, my website rank is 16,374. This is how you can see the Alexa rank of your website. And there is another way. It's a process. You have to search for Alexa rank, and you have to go to the official website, and you have to post the URL, and you have to check you have to click on the analysis. This is one process. And another thing is, you can easily go to this apps section and go to web store. You can search for Alexa traffic. You can search for Alexa traffic here. So the plugin which I use is Alexa traffic rank. Actually, I think if you have to add the plugin here, you can click on add to Chrome and click on add to extension. It will be downloaded and then it will be added to the plugin directly. So now the plugin has been added here. It will be very easy. Go to my Now I am on my website now. So if you click on this Alexa plugin now, just click on accept and enable it. So the Alexa will be enabled. You can see here installation was successful. Go to my I will So right now I'm on my website, and I will be clicking on this plugin now. So you can see that directly here, the website Alexa global rank here, and you can see your country's rank here. It will be very easy if you use plugin. So you can check it immediately to any other websites also. So this is how you can add plugin Alexa traffic plugin to your website. Previously, in my videos I showed you how to add ad blocker and how you can add VPN. So you can go through my videos and check it how you can add plugins to the browser, and subscribe to my channel and wait for my upcoming videos. I will tell you why you need these plugins to your Google browser in my upcoming videos. Thank you.